30 new positive cases were reported on 8 June 2020, out of which 28 are linked to Mangur Hill. One passenger arrived from train from Gujarat, and one passenger who came by road from Maharashtra was tested positive. 2 patients have recovered. Active cases in the state now stands at 263, says Goa Health Secretary Neela Mohanan.
Today we have 30 new cases, 28 linked to Mangur Hills, one passenger who arrived by train from Gujarat and one passenger who came by road from Maharashtra. We have 2 patients who have been cured and they have been discharged from ESI hospital, COVID hospital. That brings our active cases to 263. Today, 1,716 samples have been sent for testing. The tests done are 2,056 and reports awaited are 961. 5 persons are in hospital isolation. You see, there are health workers of ours. You are aware that health workers have been found positive, and those health workers are residents of various parts, including, as you mentioned, Sattari, Shange, etc. Sattari, specifically, the location is also known to us, but we are including them in Mangur Hill linked cases because the link is to Mangur Hill. So that doesn't mean that they are not positive anywhere outside Mangur. Naturally, the healthcare workers who have been found positive are from different places in Goa. But the link is to Mangur Hill, so we are including it under that category. Yesterday, our Director Health Service was also here, Dr. Desa. He spoke extensively about this thing as well, that we have to be very, very alert about vector-borne diseases. We know that every monsoon there are instances of dengue, malaria, chikungunya, etc. We have actually been taking precautions even during this entire period. Fumigation, etc. has happened, but that is not enough. We are also getting prepared for whatever could be the cases of these other diseases. And he did mention his concern that there could be a combination. But whatever be the case, we will ensure that the best treatment is given. We would only assure members of the public that we are doing our best, but they should also be extremely careful and abide by all the necessary guidelines that the Directorate has been issuing every year and has already issued this year for awareness about vector-borne diseases. I don't have any comments. I can only tell you that our COVID care center is functional in PHC Shiroda. My team has told me that these are linked to the healthcare workers. One is the family of the healthcare worker. The 2 minor children, according to my information, is... Yes, we are including that in the category of Mangur Hills linked cases.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.